Looking to incorporate aromatherapy into your daily routine? Consider making your own DIY essential oil spray. These sprays can be used as air fresheners, perfumes, bug repellents, and more. To create a basic spray, mix 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters of witch hazel, 20 drops of essential oils of your choice, and 6 tablespoons, 89 milliliters of water in a spray bottle. Customize your spray by choosing oils that match your needs, such as citrus to uplift your mood, or lavender for sleep and relaxation. Experiment with different oil combinations to create unique scents. Shake the bottle before each use and enjoy the benefits of your personalized spray. Remember to dilute oils properly with water to avoid skin irritation, and consider adding dried herbs or flowers to your spray for extra fragrance.